Hi, the Punjab Public Services Commission had announced the 300 posts of veterinary officers. And now many of you are preparing for the veterinary officer examination, which basically is a multiple choice type question examination. And many of you are worried how to prepare for it. There is a vast syllabus covering the veterinary science, animal science, and general knowledge, current affairs, then the mental ability, and of course the Punjabi language, which is essential for the Punjab PSC veterinary officer examination. Now, don't worry, we are here to help you out, and we are providing you the preparation guidance. Friends, I am Professor Govind Narayan Purohit, and I am today going to provide you some clues or some how to prepare for the examination, which subjects, which topics you should focus, and for from which subjects, how many questions are appearing, so you can prepare accordingly and you can be ready to face the examination. So, come, let us start. Here is a preparation guidance for Punjab PSC veterinary officer examination, right? So, as I said earlier, the Punjab PSC it will conduct an examination with the multiple choice questions, and here are the number of the questions that will appear. Say 90 questions will be from the 90 questions will be from the syllabus of veterinary and animal science, and 10 questions will be from general knowledge and current affairs, and 10 questions will be from mental ability, logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude, and 10 questions from the Punjabi language, right? So, you have you have to prepare for the general knowledge, you have to prepare for the current affairs, you have to prepare for the mental ability, and you have to prepare for the veterinary science as well. Veterinary science is a very vast subject, and so you are worried that how to prepare for this veterinary science. Now, let us quickly examine the question paper pattern. You see, here we present the data of past three examinations: the 2016 examination by the Punjab PSC, 2019 examination, and the 2022 examination. So you can see how many questions have appeared from which subject. You can see here that the focus of the examination had been the veterinary clinical subjects. And you can see here from medicine, 9 questions appeared in 2016, 10 in 2019, and 12 questions in 2022. From surgery, 6 questions in 2016, 17 in 2019, and 12 in 2022. From gynecology, 15 questions each in 2016 and 2019, and 9 questions in 2022. Then the another important subjects have been LPM, in where 11 questions appeared in 2019 and 11 in 2022. Besides that, APG and nutrition have been the subjects from which a good number of questions do appear in the PSC exams conducted by the Punjab. And then Microbiology, 14, 6, and 7 questions each appeared from in the examination. And I tell you, the uh, any number of questions are appearing, but they are the direct multiple choice questions and are based on the simple understanding of the subjects which you have read previously, right? Now, let us talk about the common questions. What is the focus of the common questions? In medicine, the focus of the questions is the disease, its etiology, the diagnostic tests used for specific diagnostic tests and the therapy, then infectious diseases like tetanus, parvovirus, actinomycosis, and specific tests. One or two questions are always asked from specific tests like the Coombs test, what it is done for, the Coggins test. Then in surgery, the hernia fractures, type of fractures, surgical sites, the specific instruments used, the diagnostic approaches like ultrasonography, radiography, and maybe MRI and others. And one or two questions are always there from radiology on the X-rays, on the preparation of the X-rays, and likewise. From gynecology, maximum questions appear in any exam, even in Punjab PSC, from the hormones, the estrus cycle, the obstetric terms, then the semen freezing, artificial insemination, and always there are one or two questions from the placenta, types of placenta in any exam, including the Punjab PSC, on the type of placenta and on the gestation length of different animals. So be prepared for that. And the gestation length is asked, and then estrus synchronization. These are the common topics where from the questions are asked. Then ABG heritability, selection, the population genetics, common terms like heterosis, hybrid vigor, and then LPM. One or two questions are always there from the breeds, maybe the dog breed, maybe the cat breed, maybe the cattle breed, specific uh, characteristics of the breed. Say, Savai Chal is characteristic to which breed. Then the space requirements, location of the institutes, IBRI, NBAGR, likewise, they are asking simple questions. And then space requirements of cattle, poultry, and the population genetics. Then from nutrition, the terms what is TDN, what is digestible energy, what is metabolizable energy, then the rumen function requirements of livestock and poultry, and LPT. Questions are asked from pasteurization of the milk, adult trends in the milk and ghee, and likewise, the questions are asked from LPT. So you can well prepare, and then the adult trends in the milk, ghee, and the detection, meat testing, slaughter techniques. These are the common focus areas for asking the questions. Then microbiology, the common questions that appear in Punjab PSC and in many other PSCs are the immunology, the IgG, IgE, IgM, the organisms and disease, the vaccines, features of the organisms, and the tests to use detect specific organisms. Then pharmacology, many questions were asked in 2022 from pharmacology. So be careful. Drugs and their use, toxicology, adverse reactions, half-lives of drugs, antibiotics. For parasitology, the special names of parasites, say the name given to the hookworm is this. Then the anthelmintics, antiprotozoal drugs, toxoplasmosis, and anatomy, the number of lumbar vertebrae or the special features in the species, the dental formula. Very simple questions are asked, and very less number of questions are asked from these subjects, right? So, for your preparation, we have brought in, you can just go to our app, the GNP Sir Classes app. You can download it from the Play Store, and we'll provide the link in the description to download this app. Uh, in this app, we have the uh, different courses, and the course for preparation for Punjab PSC and any other state PSC exams would be the Let's Crack View VS state PSC exams. And here we are providing you complete guidance how to read, where from to read. We are providing the reading materials, we are providing mock tests, we are providing much more. So you can download our app and you can join our course. Even if you don't download, if you don't purchase our course, you kindly join our WhatsApp group, the link of which I will be giving in the description. And you can be benefited from the vast number of questions we are sharing in the group on a regular basis. We are also sharing in the group the reading materials and much more. Now, what should be the preparation strategy? How to prepare for the exam? Now, the very first thing is study the syllabus thoroughly and categorize it, how you will uh, study that subject. Create daily targets and take mock tests. And this is where we are providing mock test in our app, in our course. So you can, and even in our WhatsApp group, solve the previous year's question papers and focus on clinical based questions. Now, another important thing is time management. When you are attempting 120 questions in 2 hours, and uh, you have to mark the correct answer on the OMR sheet, you need to have the time management. If you don't manage your time, maybe you miss some of the questions which you were knowing the answers, and there is a negative marking. So don't attempt any question which you are not very sure. Don't just guess, right? So this should be your preparation strategy. Create daily targets. It's not necessary that you study very long periods. Take very short study periods and revise those things which you feel they are hard to memorize. So you revise them again and again. Then, based on the analysis of the previous year's papers, our the prediction is that pharmacology, drugs used in veterinary medicine, example, triclabendazole, ketamine, flumazanil, these questions were asked in PSC in 2016, 2019, and 2022. Then poisoning cases like cyanide poisoning, organophosphorus toxicity, they were asked in PSC paper 2019. Then reproductive physiology, estrous synchronization methods and reproductive traits, progeny testing, maternal heterosis. These questions were asked in 2022 as well as 2019. Then fertility related genes, example, Burula genes, sperm function and freezing. These questions were asked in 2019. And then anatomy and physiology, special anatomic features, say, for example, kidney lobes in ox. This was asked in 2022. Hormones related to lactation, reproduction, estrogen, growth hormone. These were asked in 2016. And animal nutrition, crude protein requirements and deficiencies in livestock and poultry diets. These were asked in PSC 2022 and PSC 2019. Uh, then essential fatty acids and their roles in different species. These were asked in 2022 and 2019. Right. So these are the likely. Then infectious disease and parasitology, common diseases and their diagnostic tests. Say, for example, Coombs test, Coggins test. These were asked in PSC 2016 and 2019. Vaccination protocols, zoonotic diseases, brucella, thalaria. These were asked in 2019. And surgery and clinical procedures, for example, thoracocentesis, laparotomy, post-surgical care, these were asked in 2022 and 2019. Specific suture patterns used in different species, these were asked in, question was asked from this in 2019. And then livestock management, questions on housing, breeding techniques, and dairy production, these were asked in 2016 and 2019 papers of PSC. So here we are presenting you some sample questions that can you can solve these questions at your end and try to obtain the correct answer. Which of the following drugs is used to reverse the effects of diazepam in case of an overdose? So here are the four options, and you have to choose the correct answer. The traclabendazole is most effective against adult flukes, immature flukes, both A and B, none. Then the third question, the toxic effects of cyanide poisoning causes a characteristic smell of bitter almonds, garlic, rotten eggs, and acetone. And then which of the following is a polypeptide antibiotic? Gentamicin, bacitracin, cephalosporin, erythromycin. You can find the answers of these types of questions in our WhatsApp group, uh, wherein we are sharing similar questions on a daily basis. And you can practice by answering these types of questions. Read first, revise, and then attempt the mock test. So, in our course, if you join our course, we will be providing the solved previous year papers for Punjab PSC 2016, 2019, 2022, and you will get the solved papers with the correct answer. Then we also have the question papers of Maharashtra, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Rajasthan, Kerala, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Assam, and many more for your practice of attempting the questions. If you join our course, we provide in this course 9 lecture recordings, uh, video lectures from the experts in veterinary medicine, veterinary gynecology, and veterinary surgery. And they will tell you they will explain the key topics precisely so that you can recollect what you have already read. Then we provide complete mock tests. These mock tests contain the questions for the veterinary science, and then they also have the questions on GK. They have the questions on current affairs. They have the questions on the uh, mental ability. And so, if you attempt these 20 mock tests, and you are free to attempt these mock tests as many number of times you wish. And we provide 15 minor mock tests, so they have lesser number of questions, and 5 complete mock tests. They will have 120 questions. You can attempt 120 questions and practice for all what you need. Then we provide, besides these mock tests, these 20 full syllabus mock tests, we also provide 6 subject-wise mock tests, wherein you can practice for individual subject. And then we provide the 12 PDF of concise lectures covering each and every topic for all subjects. Then we provide the revision test, special questions, the species specific questions on dogs, horses, camels, and then we have the guidance lecture recordings where our experts explain you how to prepare for animal science, how to prepare for veterinary science, how to prepare for GK and all. Right? So come and join us. Come and join this course. We'll provide the link in the description, and you will be benefited by this course. This is the only course which is having exhaustive everything for your preparation. Only course in India which has all the material required for preparing for a VOVS examination of Punjab and any state of India. Right? You even if you don't purchase our course, I would suggest that you join our WhatsApp group. I will provide the link in the description section, and you will receive daily support. We are on a regular basis. We are providing the mock test, we are providing the reading material, we are providing short notes, we are providing much more. Come and join us and be benefited. Excel in your examination by joining us. Right? So if you like this video, kindly do give your comments, give your suggestions, and don't forget to share and subscribe GNP sir. See you in the next video and see you in the course. See you in our WhatsApp group. See you in the course. Have a nice time. Bye bye.